Hey teacher friend, welcome back to my channel. My name's Molly and I'm a 5th grade teacher who helps other teachers just like you streamline your literacy block so you can spend more time teaching and less time prepping. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 must-have systems to make guided reading go easier. Okay, first of all, number one, I would like to say that Daily 5 is the structure of your literacy block and it will transform your classroom. If you've seen all my Daily 5 videos, then you know that I love it because of how it is an effective management tool to get to all your reading groups. It allows kids to work independently and it allows you to be the best teacher you can be in a small group setting. I swear by it and I have a whole series, so you can go back and check out those videos if this is your first one watching with me. All right, my second tip is to use the Daily 5 Excel chart on the smartboard or in Google Sheets to show your students their choices, because this is going to save you over the course of the week. I've done the math on it, 50 minutes of instructional time. So instead of having your kids go back and forth to the carpet and calling off their choices for every time you switch stations, they can have them projected on the smartboard, which is something I do every day in my classroom for Daily 5 as well as Math Daily 3. And then you won't have to waste all of your instructional time telling them where to go. I've even had kindergartners do this so efficiently and effectively. So I'll leave a link below in the description box so you can check that out. It is one of the best tools I've ever created to make guided reading run smoother in my classroom. All right, number 3, explicitly teaching all of the stations so your students know what they're supposed to be doing will make guided reading run quicker or smoother in general. So let's talk about word work, for example. You have to explicitly teach word work every week when you're giving them a new sort, let's say. That's what I do in my 5th grade classroom. I have to teach them the spelling pattern or what they're working on in their sort, or else they're going to not know what to do and it's not going to be as effective. So when you're starting out the school year, of course, you're going to explicitly teach the stations, but you're going to have to refresh them too. And every time you change out an activity, just know that you need to teach it and not just expect the kids to know what to do, because that's going to be total chaos. All right, number 4, involving an element of student choice will make your literacy block guided reading system just go so much more smoothly. That's why I love Daily 5, because the kids really feel like they have a sense of choice. They're getting to switch up what they're doing throughout the hour or hour and 15 minutes, however long your block is. They're not stuck on the same thing. So I've started doing a whole group lesson so that everybody can get the same tier 1 instruction, and then we switch to Daily 5 and implement what we learned in our whole group lesson in our reading groups, and then they have their independent tasks that they're working on at the different stations as well. Okay, my last tip for a must-have system for your guided reading block is to go over the expectations every day so your students know what to do. So remember, I have a chart for this in my classroom, and my students have to repeat after me every single expectation. They can repeat it in their sleep at this point, but it really helps solidify that you have the same expectation. So they need to get started right away, level 0, stay in one spot, work the whole time, and build their stamina. If you like that system, you can grab the chart inside of my Teachers Pay Teacher store, which I'll link below as well. All right, I hope those systems will help make your literacy block run so much smoother. Let me know in the comments below, what are things that have worked really well for you when you're teaching guided reading and things that you wish you would have never done. I'd love to hear. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.